Namaste students, this is Science 1 chapter number 2 periodic classification of elements. In this chapter we are going to study that how different scientists have arranged the element in sequence in their periodic table. The points we will be covering is elements and their classification. The scientist Dobrino has given his Dobrino's triad. The scientist Newland has given the Newland's law of octave. Mendeleev has given the Mendelev's periodic table, and last, which is the modern periodic table, which is using now, and it is the most important and the successful till now. The basics of this topic is what are the types of matter. The matter is classified as elements, compounds, and its mixture. So what is the element? Element is a pure substance, and in other words, it cannot be broken down into simpler form with any physical or chemical means, as it consists of only one type of atom, that you can say it has same number of protons in it. Example, it is a hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, sodium are all example of elements. And if you consider two hydrogen atom, so they contain same number of protons, so it can combine and it can become the molecule which is the hydrogen molecule H2. Second, you can take as oxygen combines together to form the oxygen molecule, that is O2. This single is an element which they combines to form the molecule. Next is the compound. Compound is a pure substance of two or more elements chemically combines. Thus the elements combines due to its chemical changes. Example of compound, you can give this H2O, which is water molecule, CO2, which is carbon dioxide, and another is NaCl, which is the salt, sodium chloride. So here in H2O, where hydrogen and oxygen, two hydrogen is combining with one oxygen to form the compound, right? Next is CO2, where one carbon atom combines with two oxygen molecules to give carbon dioxide, which is a compound of two different elements, that is first is carbon and second is the oxygen. Next is the mixture. A mixture consists of any two kinds of mixture, anything. Next is what are the types of element. It is classified as metals and non-metals. In this chapter you will be studying more about these types of elements in details. What is the simplest particle of matter called? It is the atom, where protons and neutrons are concentrated at the center of the nucleus and it is situated inside the nucleus, whereas the electrons revolves around the nucleus in a circular orbit. This is about the atom. Next is what is the difference between a molecule of an element and a compound. See, the molecule of an element is O2 and molecule of compound is CO2. Where O2, where two oxygen atom combines to give molecule of oxygen. Whereas second in molecule of compound, where carbon combines with two oxygen atoms to give carbon dioxide, and this is called as the molecule of a compound. In the earlier slide we have studied about the matter is being classified as pure substance and mixture. The pure substance is further classified as elements and compounds, whereas mixture is then classified as homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now we are studying about the classification of elements. Around year 1800, only 30 elements were known, but now there are 118 elements which are known. More and more information were gathered about the properties of elements. Initially, classification of elements were classified into the groups of metals and non-metals, but later on there were another class called as metalloids which was noticed. As the knowledge about the elements and their properties went on increasing, different scientists started trying out different methods for classification.